castle born from lines and haze, tiny worlds in a script